Hello everyone. Today is Thursday, October 10th. I'm looking at the Fibonacci sequence, the series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. So, for example, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Okay, that's enough numbers. So it's a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. Inside the Fibonacci sequence, we declare a variable, const fib equals 0, 1. Each number in the Fibonacci sequence has to have two numbers behind it, because each number in the Fibonacci sequence is the sum of the two previous numbers. So that's why we're starting with 2. Fibonacci at that index is going to be equal to the two previous numbers, okay? So previous number A plus previous number B. And now this is like elementary school again. We're doing basic math. A plus B. Okay, so what if we wanted to find what comes after 13? Well, we simply need to add them together. 21.